What if your U.S. student visa expires before you finish your degree or find a job? A major overhaul of the U.S. student visa system is moving closer to reality as the Department of Homeland Security has sent a final regulation to the White House for review. The proposal would end the decades-old duration of status system and replace it with fixed periods of stay for F-1 students, J-1 exchange visitors, I-visa holders, and their dependents. Instead of staying in the U.S., as long as they remain enrolled and meet visa requirements, students would receive a stay tied to their program end date, but capped at 4 years. Anyone needing more time for research, academic setbacks, or degree completion would have to file an extension with USCIS, potentially including biometrics and extra documentation. The proposal would also cut the F-1 grace period from 60 days to 30 days, limit undergraduates from changing schools or majors during their first year, and generally prevent graduate students from switching programs. Students remaining beyond their authorized stay would automatically begin accruing unlawful presence, which could lead to multi-year bans from re-entering the United States. First proposed in 2020, withdrawn in 2021, and revived in 2025, the rule received more than 34,800 public comments, most opposing it. It is now under review by the Office of Management and Budget and could take effect within 30 to 60 days after publication, potentially impacting students arriving for the fall 26 semester. Indian students, currently the largest international student group in America, may be among the most affected, especially those pursuing PhDs, STEM research, and long-term academic programs.